Hey, long time no see. Well, listen, I was going from store to store, because I like certain things at certain places. Also like to make sure that my money gets spread around a little bit so that, Walmart isn't eating everything. And I was wondering, when are we fully prepared? At what point are we like, okay, we did it. Let's take a break. We know we gotta, rotate the stock. We know we gotta maintain. But at a certain point, there's like, what's your trigger point for saying, whew, I did it. We're ready. Do me a favor. Let me know in the comments, because I'm going to use your comments to build onto a bigger video, to build onto a bigger conversation, because I've never seen a prepper channel ever talk about it. It's always buy this and stack that and can this and suck the air out of that, and it's just add, and there's never anybody who talks about a pause. Do me a favor, let me know in the comments. I appreciate your time, and as usual, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.